Well, today's first day of import Carlisle, and the Z is still not painted. So there's that. I do plan on getting it this weekend, but this is going to be a 2-day video. Well, not a 2-day video, but it's going to be 2 days, one video. I'm going to record today and tomorrow. We'll just compile it all into one. And then next video, hopefully we'll be putting the Z back together. But I got the hot rod out, the old TC. And Johnny's taking his 240SX with the Skyline motor in it. Get some drone footage and stuff, hopefully, and we'll get some shots of that. And I think import Carlisle is going to be a lot better this year now that COVID's kind of dying down here. So we'll see what happens.
Everything is twofold. What's joy is pain on the other hand. And what happens when the one that you love is the main cause of your suffering? I need you like I need air to breathe. I need you to save me from me. I'm caught in your wave, I'm drifting away. I need you to save me. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown.
Is you having trouble keeping up, Johnny?
A little bit.
It's that big bore Camry engine in this. I got cams in it. Did you know that? 2 of them.
Yeah.
They're stock, but there's it's 2 of them. I offered Johnny a stereo for his car so he had something to listen to on the way down here, and he just said no. I just listen to RB noises. Well, I put a stereo in mine because mine doesn't make noises. It's a silent killer. Okay.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep me in, but the walls keep closing in, and I don't wanna die, but your poison feels so right. Why do I want you when you're bad for me? My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. I'm drowning with all of this darkness surrounding. You need me like you need air to breathe. You want me to save you from me. I know that you're trapped inside this wave. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna save you from me? I can't see you drown. 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 Whoa. Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep me in, but the walls keep closing in, and I don't wanna die, but your poison feels so right. Why do I want you when you're bad for me? My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe.
Johnny said there's cars down there, and I don't believe him. I don't see a single car.
It's day 2 of Carlisle. You going with me? Huh? Come on, let's go. No? Rub that belly.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swiped it once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got safe though, cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece. But it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo. But still a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
So compared to last year, this year is way better. There's a lot more cars here. Guys, I bought a new daily. God, that's cute. Identifies as a 370Z. Now me and Johnny had enough. We're hitting the road. I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight on the way home and get a buffer. But here's his RB20. You can't, huh? You turn your air conditioning on. Oh, air conditioning. You can't keep up with the old big bore Camry over here. So anyway, guys, that was Carlisle 2021 import show. Really liked it. It was fun. I also, this is the battery powered buffer I got. Really like this. I just buffed the Avalanche fog lights with it. I want it for doing the bumper on the Z. I think it'll be easier. But if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if you want me to take your mom to Gapplebee's. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Alright.